Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. Uber Eats is trash. Man, look at this crap. $5 for 22 miles for a damn smoothie. Who is ordering a smoothie from 22 miles away? This makes no sense. $9.20 for 12.8 miles. $6.25 for 8.4 miles. Estimated time 26 minutes at McDonald's. Why Uber Eats? Why? Why you gotta do me like this? $10.06 for 10 miles at Chipotle. These are the types of orders you're gonna see on Uber Eats, guys. Check it out. $3.54. Guess what? 4 miles at McDonald's. Why is all these McDonald's orders paying $3 Uber Eats? This makes no sense. $6.07 for 13 miles at Wingstop. $8.49 for 21 miles, 54th Street. $7.02, 10.1 miles. 10.1 miles, Uber Eats customer. $22.26. 22 miles, 1-to-1 mile to money ratio. Guess what? 2 customers, 2 pickups, 2 drop-offs. All bad. $21.06 for 30 miles. Estimated time, an hour and 2 minutes. Absolutely crazy. $27.05. That sound good, don't it? Nope. 44.1 miles. So an hour and 22 minutes, right? What if I get there and it's a 15-minute wait on the food? But guess what? You got 2 pickups. What if you get to both pickups and it's a wait at both merchants? Each of them got a 15-minute wait. They don't account for that. So instead of an hour and 22 minutes, it's really going to take you 2 hours and 15 minutes. Stop playing. $27 for 50. $21.09 for 40 miles. Again, what if it's a 15-minute wait? It doesn't matter. Uber Eats say they got that on lock. An hour and 15 minutes is all it's going to take. Yeah, right. Stop playing with me, Uber Eats. Look, can't keep ordering from all the way across the map. It makes no sense. $12.06 for 26 miles. If you need something and you're 25 miles away, you need to be tipping 50. You don't need it that bad. You do not need it that bad. $11.08 for 16.1 miles. These are the screenshots that I received just in the last week. These are the types of orders I see in my market. And guess what? They ain't getting done. Next up, $11.06, 29.8 miles. This is crazy right here. This is absolutely crazy. Next up, $14.51. But guess what? You're going 20 miles. Every order that's paying 10 or 15 bucks, the mileage is like 20 to 30 miles, sometimes 50. This is why Uber Eats drivers are mad right here. I'm mad just remembering these orders. Next up, we got $10.47 for 10 miles, 1-to-1 miles to money ratio. Now, after seeing orders trying to have you go 50 miles away, 30 miles away, 25 miles away, you may look at this order and say, damn, I'm going to just go ahead and take that. But guess what? It's going to stay right there messing with me. I'm not having it. Because after that, they'll do you just like this. $3.11 for what's that? 8.3 miles at Taco Bell. Get you some of that taco smell. Send that customer stomach straight to taco hell. They don't even care. Give your ass $3. You be mad as hell. $5.28 for 16 miles. Estimated time 34 minutes at 54th Street Bar and Grill. Well, guess what? They better scratch their ass on up to 54th Street because I ain't bringing it for $5. Next up, $14.52 at Walmart. Why is they paying so? Why is Walmart paying Uber Eats drivers $15 to drive 30 damn miles? Walmart kiss my ass. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy. These are all the screenshots I got in the last week. $6, 11 miles. Crazy. $9, 21 miles. Stop playing with me. If you are a new Uber Eats driver, you should never be taking orders like this. $3.15 for 9.8 miles for a sandwich. For a damn sandwich. $11.09 for 15 miles. All these orders are upside down. What do you mean upside down? $7.34 for 10 miles. 10 miles is more miles than the payout of $7. This is crazy. An add-on, $12.49 for 13 miles. No! $9.45 for 17.2 miles. These are all the orders I've seen. These are all the orders I've seen. And guess what? I'm mad. I'm mad because I didn't take none of them because they trash. Every single order right here is trash. Let me go ahead and go through them all again, make sure I save this. These are trash orders, okay? These orders are trash. And if you a customer and you placing an order, you this far away, you are trash as well. And if you a driver, just decline those orders. And don't let them get you all sweaty like how they got me.